Ready, set. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Hold on. Ready? Oh, she's down on the field. Okay, you're back in the game. Back in the game. Ready? Are you ready? Here we go. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Hold on. Oh no! Oh no! Get the stretcher! Get the stretcher! I think she broke something. No, she's alright. Get her going. She's good to go. Alright. Ready? You're a little stinker butts, aren't you? You want to laugh some more?
Yeah, do it again.
More?
Yeah.
Alright. Put your shoes back on. Put your cleats back on. Ready? Here we go. Your hair looks pretty blonde today, doesn't it? Ready? Sit. Sit. I'm gonna get you. Oh, you can't hit the little girl. You can't hit the little girl. No. No. Are you ready? Get back in here. You're okay. Ready? Ready? Wow! Wow! Ready? Ready? Get back in here. Get back in here. Ready? Let's play. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Ready? Ready? What's better, your thumb or football practice? Ready? 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 Daddy,